Hey, you. I saw you from the day.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new here, and today I will be doing a clean with me video.
Hey, you. I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you. Or am I wrong? And now I lose my own side, my love.
When I'm all finished making my bed, I will start a load of laundry.
I'm not more than a dream.
My favorite laundry detergent and fabric softener right now is the Gain Botanicals, and this one is in the white tea and lavender, and it smells really good.
Baby, you are no more than a dream.
To wash my dishes, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day and apple cider scent, and this one is currently my favorite. I always like to clean out my sink when I am finished with my dishes, and I will be using the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser, and this stuff works really well. To wipe down my countertops and table, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day all-purpose spray and apple cider scent.
You're all I want. You're all I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. I'm more than a dream. I'm wondering slowly that you are no more than a dream. Hey, you, is this all you wanted? And hey, you, we could be more.
And this is currently one of my favorite candles right now. It is the Honeycrisp Apple, and I bought this at Trader Joe's the other day, and it smells amazing. To clean my fireplace mantle, I will just spray a little bit of Endust on my duster and I will dust away. Sometimes when shoes are kind of thrown in this corner over here, there ends up a lot of scuff marks on the wall. So right here, I am just using a magic eraser and I'm just cleaning them up. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. I do a lot of cleaning videos and decorating, and I have occasionally thrown in a cooking video as well. And again, I would like to thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.